Hi, Richard. Thanks for making time to speak to us. Could you please tell us about C Connect? What is it about?
So C-Connect is South Africa's newest MVNO, and MVNO is a mobile virtual network operator. Typically, MVNOs partner with a host mobile network operator, one of the operators that owns the infrastructure, and then we provide our own telco services under our own brand, where we leverage unutilized capacity on the host operator network.
Yeah. And then how old is this company? How long have you been operating?
So we have been testing distribution of SIM cards for about 9 months now, so largely prepaid SIM cards. Also we have bundled some hybrid offerings with some B2B partners that we have, really testing the platforms, the usability, customer feedback, what we see, what we're learning about our customers, and the response to the product.
Yeah. And then I believe today is the official launch.
That's correct, yeah.
Are you impressed with the today's proceedings?
Yeah, I think it's been a good day so far. Obviously, it's a big day, a launch to the media and so many media representatives. So it's been an exciting day so far, and we're really excited for what's to come.
Yeah, interesting stuff. So could you please tell us about your partnership? During the press briefing, you mentioned that you guys have partnered with Cell C. Could you please tell us about our relationship and also why Cell C?
So Cell C is our host network operator. So
Yeah.
Cell C have been really the protagonist in the MVNO space in South Africa over the last 10, 12 years. They were the first network to do it with Virgin Mobile back in 2006. But really since the expansion in 2012, 2014, Cell C have onboarded the most MNOs. So they were, number one, a natural choice for us to go to. We also felt that the partnership with Cell C was strong because of their commitment to developing and driving the growth of their own MVNO space. That's really the core reasons why we partnered with Cell C.
Yeah. And then, and obviously, I believe that Cell C, they room on Vodacom and MTN and stuff like that.
That's correct, yeah.
Yeah.
So Cell C themselves, I think that over the last few years, they've had some negative press around coverage.
Yeah.
So they embarked on a journey to improve that for their customers. They themselves have concluded agreements with Vodacom and MTN, which means they essentially partner with Vodacom and MTN to roam on their network. So the Cell C coverage, as we've seen evidence and recently in some conferences, the MVNO Nation conference in Cape Town in July, Cell C showed the improvement in their network coverage over the last 12, 24 months, which is great. C Connect customer gets the exact same service.
Yeah. So today is an official day. Like, what's next in terms of rolling out the brand to customers? What's next?
So
what plans do you have in place that you guys are going to implement to take the brand to the people?
We're going to continue with our current distribution channels.
Yeah.
We've also recently launched Get Your SIM on our app and on our website.
Yeah.
So you can get it delivered to your home address or a pickup point of your choosing. We are planning a retail launch with a retail partner early in September. So we hope we will be live in retail stores then. And we're also still engaging with and connecting with various B2B partners or in the wholesale space around providing our services to those partners as well.
Yeah. So have you identified some of the retail partners that you guys are going to work with?
We have. It's still concluding discussions, so I'm not going to share those at this point. But I think as and when we have that launch with that retail partner, then we'll certainly come back and feedback about that.
What would you say is your unique selling proposition, given the service that you provide and considering other competitors in the market?
So core for us is our value proposition, which is centered around our pocket. When you get a C Connect SIM card, you can register on USSD, on app or on the web, and then you activate your pocket. In your pocket, you get 10% of your recharge value back in Chichings. Chichings is our in-app currency or our pocket currency. Now you can use those to transact with prepaid electricity, prepaid airtime, bill payments, events tickets through our partnership with Ticket Pro, and also gaming for some fun and entertainment. So that we see as our unique value proposition, bringing something different, something simple, easy, accessible, so that you know where your rewards are, what you get, and how you get them.
Yeah. And also, could you please tell us about your lifestyle products?
Lifestyle products we haven't yet launched. It's still in development.
Okay.
And so we've actually categorized the lifestyle products for now under bill payments. So that we haven't gone ahead with those. That's really based on consumer demand, what our customers want, what our customers need.
Yeah.
Although we may still continue to look at launching some of those in the near future.
Yeah, interesting stuff. And then, so how people can able to connect with you guys?
So connect with us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. If you want to get a C-Connect SIM card, the simplest and easiest way at the moment is to go onto the web, onto the app, and you can order your own SIM and complete your self-RICA process there.
Yeah, and I believe your app is zero-rated app. Why decided to go with zero-rated app?
Well, we really wanted to make the tech infrastructure accessible to all. We didn't want to create a barrier to entry to engaging with our customers because we were charging for use of the app, so that's why we've zero-rated that, and the USSD.
Yeah.
So both of those are zero-rated, so you can interact and transact with us without paying any additional charges.
Yeah, and also I believe you guys got an app.
Yes.
Could you please tell us about that and how people can able to access it?
So you can buy it on the Google Play Store, you can buy it on iOS or the Huawei Store as well, and download the app. You can get your SIM, you can register with your cell phone number and a password of your choosing, and then you interact in the app with the various products that I've mentioned.
Yeah. Rich, thank you very much, my brother. We're looking forward to see your product, C-Connect, across South Africa. Maybe, who knows, even across the continent as well.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Appreciate it.
Cool.